works all things well for those who love Him and those who are called according to His purpose. And I know that Alex there had a purpose.
Sapaw ka, Mel. Sapaw.
Sapaw ka talaga.
Sound vibe.
Kasi ganun yung engineer. Nasaan ka? Dito nga eh. Dito talaga kami.
Eh, dyan ito.
Oo, sabi ko kami tinuro. Pirma kay Irman. Pero ko kung nabilang din naman. Kasi uuwi kang talaga. So, ma'am. Okay. Alis ka na? Okay, sir.
Ines Simone. Hi.
Tayo kay Kuya Kim. Yan po, kasama. Sabayan mo na kaya, Mel. Sabayan mo na kaya si Ma'am. Piyet. Mauna yan.
Okay, that's what I see online. I mean, it's going to, yeah. Especially because building is a party, that's not very
Thank you. Kaya dali, kita ka lang.
Ay, sorry.
Thank you.
For many years. And then this happened. And my question is, why? Why, Lord? Why? My little Emma did not die in vain. I know that God has a purpose. God works all things well for those who love Him and those who are called according to His purpose. And I know that Emma's death had a purpose. In my reflection, in my grief, I got a lot of messages. And one message I'd like to read. This is from a student from Indonesia. The 2 years of Eman on social media, she affected so many lives. She inspired so many people, not only in the Philippines but also abroad. And I got this message. In my asking the Lord, why did you take Eman? And this is the letter I got. Hi, Mr. Atienza. It's Kahaya. I'm a student from Jakarta who you hosted for Ayasa's film in 2022. I would like to express my profound condolences for the loss of Emma. She was one of the brightest people I knew, and she was extremely inspirational. Ever since we met, we would be very open with each other about mental health. Even up to this year, I myself struggle with my own battles. And on the same day that she passed, I also attempted. I don't know why I am the one who's still here, but I am endlessly sorry for that. But I hope it brings you some kind of solace that I will continue to live in honor of your daughter. And will do everything in my power to keep it that way. Emma has touched not only this girl, but Emma has touched so many other people all over the world. And that is the purpose of this happening. It's painful for now, but God's purpose is good. And I know in time, it's good. I just pray to the Lord that Eman is with him, and that she's smiling, and waiting for all of us, waiting for Feli, me, the kids, to follow when the time comes. Thank you for being here. Maraming salamat. Eman loves you all, and we love you all. Salamat po.